series. It's the wrong way. Come inside, come. Oh, so many bikes here. Look at that. What is it, Ducati? Wow. That's a beautiful Ducati, that one. V4. What's this one? 800 MT. This is a brand new one. Really nice. Ah, you talk this Supermoto. Husqvarna. Look, bro, 17-inch front.
This is how they fill up.
It's beautiful.
This is the way up.
It's a really nice Supermoto. Husqvarna. Is it 500 or 700? Harley Davidson Screaming Eagle. Come inside. Come. We'll check out the outside later on. Ah, Ninja Boss. No problem. Thank you. I got a camera, is that right? I just want to take some of the shots of the thank you very much. Yeah. Look at these. Wow, Indian. What a classic that is. Unbelievable. The Redskin Indian. Well, this one, 19. What year is this?
Oh, dang.
Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator. Check this one out, brother. Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator 3 Rise of the Machines. So is it? Oh, that's from the Terminator movie. That one.
Is it?
Wow, I didn't know. Arnold Schwarzenegger Terminator 3 Rise of the Machines movie bike.
So he actually sit on this?
Yeah, 2003 Indian Chief. So Arnold Schwarzenegger sat on this bike. He rode this bike for the Terminator 3 movie.
So on the movie,
on
the movie he's on this?
On this one.
And off
Indian.
the movie he's like this?
Nah, I don't think he'll take this one, but no, that's Terminator 3. Unbelievable. Ah, there it is. Wow.
I want to know how we got this motorcycle here in Australia.
Unbelievable. I want to buy it, see if they're selling it. Oh, that one. What's this guy?
Assalamualaikum.
Superior. Really nice. There's a British. Is it Brock Superior? What is it? Borrow. Never seen these beautiful bikes. And a really nice display here. Wow. They got some really cool stuff here. Hey, you want aviator goggles, yeah? Aviator goggles. Oh my God, they got crazy. This is a good price. What is this? Is this
what is this?
antique? It's an antique motorcycle. You know, like something like this, if you have like a shop or something, it's a very good like a display piece. Really nice. 2023 mutt or mutt. Really nice. Got some good bikes here. I love my Indians. I might have to buy an Indian. I love the Indians. I think Indian. They have a Triumph from 1970s. Wow, look at this one. Amazing bikes, man. Good, huh? Good for the thing, isn't it? Hang on. This looks like my e-bike, but from 1950s. Wow, look at that. DP. How much was a petrol back then? 3 cents.
3 cents.
I wish we could do time travel and I'll fill up my tank. Which one? Destroyer. Wow. Is this from another movie? ZZ Top. That's a band. I think that's a rock band. Great names in racing. So much history, man. Look at that one. Do 2 times zoom. They got some great stuff. Hey, is that a snowmobile? Mercury. What is that? Nazi helicopters, is it? Airplanes. This place is awesome, man. Well, hey, you know this bike here? This one here? I don't know if it's this one, but I've been told V4, I think it's this model. It revs up to, like, don't quote me, like, I think it was 18 or 24,000 RPM. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. It was one of those. I think it was 18,000. Yamaha RZV 500R. Yeah, good bikes. Yeah, good.
This fit you, I think this fit you.
Hey, I love these classic bikes, man. Look at this. Check this one out. Suzuki RG 500. What a classic. What a classic that is. Full floater suspension. Look at the exhaust.
If you bring this one to
Hey, check out this one. Tianhu, come. Suzuki Turbo XN85. Turbo, what a machine. I think like the engineering and mechanical work back then, it was just out of this world. Kawasaki 750 Excelsior. What a such great bikes here, man. Osman, come. I can't believe this. Come. Rotary. RES rotary. It's got a rotary engine. Unbelievable. It's a 1975 Suzuki. Rotary engine. Rotary.
What's that?
Like a triangle, like a different, it's not a piston.
It's
Wow.
rotary. You know how
You got great Ford V8 flathead motorcycle. Awesome flathead. Hey, V8.
This is like
It's like my uncle's old V8.
they put like a car engine.
Unbelievable. What is that? Rocket. Crotch rocket. What is that thing? Bro, they got
Check that.
Ninja. Is that like your one?
No, that's H2R. That's way faster. 1000 cc supercharged. That's the. It
Supercharged.
goes up to 400 kilometers an
Oh
hour.
my god.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've just been told by the brother that this does 400 k's an hour.
If you look at the engine,
Supercharged.
it says supercharged. So
Wow.
it's a little bike, but it's boosted.
Wow. Oh, some great bikes here. We got a Harley up there. What is this? 1995 Aprilia Moto 6.5. What a machine, man. Is that Italian manufacturing at its finest? Hey, this is a 3-seater. Have you ever seen a 3-seater? Look how big the seat is. You can take the whole family.
Yep, that's a family bike.
It's a good bike for India. Take the whole family.
That's what Usman said. He said if you take it back to Pakistan, you can fit 4 people on it. I
Easy,
said, brother,
easy.
not 4, try 10.
10.
At least 10 people.
You're right. You're not wrong there. Wow.
But
I love the Indians, man.
I think we gotta get going, bro.
What time is it?
12.
Yeah,
And
got
we have
time.
2 hours ride.
Nah, I think we change that. We'll change that. We can't. We have to be a little bit early. What a machine! What a machine! There's a lot of Indians here. Ah, it's too good. Oh, that. Just the work is like amazing. Honda XR75. Wow. Wow. 1998 Honda RC30. Unbelievable. Just the engineering, dynamics. It's like a time travel. No headlight on it. It's like a car's headlight, like Ford XC500 Turbo Honda. Really nice bikes, huh? What's this? Is a saddle?
Pure antiques.
Yeah. Really nice. There's so much memorabilia and collectibles. It's like you said, like a time machine, isn't it? Time travel. Check this one out. What year is this? 1905. What is this? Roadmaster Chief. Really nice. There's a few motorbikes hanging from the roof. BMW. Das ist Auto. I think that was Porsche. Doesn't matter, they're both German. Wow. Great stuff, guys. Unbelievable. Beautiful. 2001 Ducati.
Good to see you.
Ready? We'll get going. I'll just do the back. Oh, Posty. Oh, Posty. Auto Jumble. Police. Oh, that's classic, man. What is this thing? Amazing. Right, that's it. I've got all the footage that I could. Let's go. Stop recording.